The earlier you realize that sub for sub harms your channel, the better for you. YouTube has never been a game, and it will never be a game. YouTube is being smart. Yes, putting extra work in whatever thing you're doing. YouTube is being consistent. YouTube is deriving strategy that will work for you, only for you. YouTube is also being yourself. And the earlier you realize all these things, the better for you. Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing video of mine. So yeah, in today's video, I'll actually be talking to we small content creators, upcoming YouTubers. Everybody wants to monetize quickly. Nobody wants to follow the due process. You just want, if you just open a channel today, tomorrow you are monetized. It's not possible. There is no shortcut in YouTube. It will not happen. It has never happened, and it will not start with you. Have you ever wondered why some content creators, it's only the bold ones, those of them that are being sincere, that will later on come up and tell you that they uploaded a particular video. Probably the video is saying getting 1,000 subscribers within 5 days, and YouTube took down their video, or getting 1,000 subscribers within a day. Although it could be possible anyways, but is against YouTube policy, community guidelines, rules and regulations. There are some certain things that you can do as an upcoming YouTuber that will harm your channel, that will give YouTube reason not to even recommend your video, suggest video. Because mind you that even as you create a video and upload, they will still take their time to process it, analyze it, review it before they even upload it. That's why if in the process of reviewing that channel that you uploaded and they realize that there is probably maybe a copyright or reuse content, they will, okay, that's for those that are monetized, they will give you notice that this video has copyright or there is an issue with it. But if they have reviewed it and they find out that there is no issue with it, they will not give you a go ahead to upload it, that there is no issue with that particular video. But if you are yet to be monetized, they could actually let you upload it. But once they have detected that copyright or reuse content, they could give you a strike immediately. And you will not be wondering, but you uploaded this thing, there was nothing, why didn't they detect it? That is just YouTube for you. You'll be rushing to get your 1,000 subscribers. Have you ever thought of your 4,000 watch hours? I mean to say, do you know that that is the major stress when it comes to getting monetized on YouTube? Can you please stop sub for sub? It destroys your channel. You are not even connecting with the right audience. Those people you are connecting to, do you know they also want others to connect with them? And can I shock you that those people you are connecting to will not come back to watch your videos? They will just leave you and go. You want fast and easy way to get your subscribers, good and fine. If you can be patient enough, if you have not yet reached 50 subscribers, I think YouTube have made it easy for people to be able to, go live streaming once you're up to, is it 50 subscribers or 100 subscribers? You can easily go live stream, and live stream is one of the easiest way of getting subscribers. Even when you don't even need to announce, please subscribe to my channel. People differs in the way they subscribe. Some people could just actually barge into your live stream as they're scrolling through the live stream section. They'll just come and see your look alone. They'll just click on the subscribe button. Some people could actually be your hairstyle. It could actually be your top that just attracted them. It sounds weird and insane, but that's just the simple truth. To the point that some people even tell you, I love you, I like it happens. It's reality. So why the rush? Why the sub for sub to people that does not even care if you grow or not? As you want to grow, they also want to grow. Can you just stop connecting to the wrong audience and stop harming your channel and stop giving yourself mental stress? Because you'll be wondering, these people I connected to 5,000 person, only 1 person or 0 person is watching my videos. You are harming yourself. Okay, if you think your video is not actually performing well, I even dropped a video, that's a video before this particular video, on how basic things you can necessarily do, not even actually going to YouTube Studio to turn any button on or off. Things you yourself need to do or adjust or redo to help, promote, to improve the rate at which your video is performing, to see if it can start, performing well, which has to do with the thumbnail, title, and the rest of them. Just go to that video of mine. It's on my channel right away. Can you please stop doing sub for sub? Have you ever wondered why, after doing sub for sub today, probably you have, for instance, 50 subscribers before, then you were in a very good active live stream, or whichever way you were able to get it, or probably from comment section, you subscribe to people that are also looking for subscribers like you. Then waking up the next day, not only that you lost that 20 subscribers that subscribed to you recently, you also lost even the ones you had. It happens. That's how rude YouTube can be when you go through the wrong way, when you disobey them, when you do that thing they ask you not to do. There is a whole lot you need to know about YouTube as an upcoming content creator. That's why I say, can you just mellow down? The road to success is never an easy way. But one thing you must know is that there is no shortcut to success. You will definitely strive until you succeed. So please and please and please, let's not be the ones, creating problems for ourselves. Okay, now even we that are already monetized, most of us will always tell you that even self, the so-called restream or stream yard is not even good. Someone like me, at some point, I started running away from subscribers, but it does not, stop people from subscribing to my channel. Okay, you could actually be like, okay, that live stream subscribers are not coming much. You could actually do short videos. It also gives you live free subscribers like ASAP. Even long form videos, as long as the content you are putting out is good. The only time that I believe a video will not perform well is if probably your thumbnail is not catchy, or your title is not like the previous video before this particular video. Go and watch it on my channel. I don't need to start stressing myself on that. If you want a full detail on how you can help make your video to start having views, probably after either 24 hours, 48 hours, or at most 72 hours of upload, and is not performing well, I stated it clearly on that video, so do go check it out. But the major aim of this video is to please plead with our amazing upcoming YouTubers. Don't use your hand and spoil your channel. And you now blame it on YouTube. Hey, YouTube, oh, we have been suffering, oh, and it's not coming. It's because you wanted the easy way. And there is no easy way to success. Ask everybody that have succeeded. They will tell you that story. It's just that most people don't end up telling us the behind scene of what they went through to get to where they are. If they actually open up to you, you see that there is a whole lot of things to do or to be done for you to succeed in life. So please and please and please stop harming your channel. Stop connecting to the wrong audience. You should even be worried about the 4,000 watch hour, which is the major problem. Okay, if you finally get 1,000 subscribers in a day, how will you not get your 4,000 watch hour? Yes. And mind you that those people that subscribe to you are not even coming back to watch your video. So who is going to watch the video? I even badged into a post. That's also the thing that also give me the reason to make this video, of a big YouTuber. She has way over 70 subscribers, and to even get up to 1k views now, her video are struggling to get up to 1k views. So I'm now wondering, if a big YouTuber like that is struggling, what then will I do? Because lately everybody is just complaining that the views are not coming. Even after you've done your best, the views are not coming now, which is true. So just imagine you that nobody have known on this platform, on these streets of YouTube. You now want to maneuver yourself. Okay, let's assume that it worked for you. Who will not leave who to come and watch who? So please, why not be patient, mellow down, and take things one step at a time, and grow your audience genuinely. The right ones, the right people that will always come for you. I also barged into one conversation of a big content creator. She was like, that it was at some point that she realized that she has an audience on live stream, separate audience on live stream, separate audience on long form videos, separate audience on short form videos. And it's true. But the main thing is that as long as you are consistent in all those things, those people will keep coming back. As long as you are still putting out that thing that attracted them from the first stage. So please, let's do well for ourselves. The worst thing that we could do to ourselves is, being ignorant of the fact that we are harming our channel, and we are still complaining that it's the platform that is the reason why so and so thing is happening. Yes, everybody will not be perfect, but let's be mindful of it. I'll catch you guys in another one. Please stay safe and keep pushing on this platform. Our hustle must definitely pay. See you guys on another one. Ciao, ciao.